Today, I will be refinishing a walnut desk built by my grandpa in 1951. The desk is in fair condition. It has a lot of scrapes and dents. The finish has failed in a few spots. There are heat rings, split boards, and water damage. And the drawer has a variety of interesting stains. This solid walnut desk will be a satisfying restoration. My grandpa taught me many lessons in life and gave me many gifts. One is an old tool bag I received after graduating high school, filled with a few basics, all the tools a man needs to get started. To start this project, I took the drawers and shelves and handle off. Some of the straight screws proved to be a little tough to remove, so some more aggressive tools were necessary. Next, I applied a stripper to remove the old finish. This product is called Citrus Strip. I used an old chip brush to spread it around and then covered the whole thing with plastic wrap and let it sit for 1 hour. After scraping, I used mineral spirits and 4-aught steel wool to remove the remaining residue. Next, I sanded the entire desk with 120 grit sandpaper. The desk is solid wood, so there was no risk of sanding through a veneer. My grandpa often told the story of building this desk as a sophomore in high school. He had to carry it all the way home with his brother Harley, and at first his parents were thrilled to have a new piece of furniture in the house, but were then really upset with him upon receiving the bill from the school for the lumber. Solid walnut was not in their modest family budget. But thankfully, this desk has stood the test of time. After sanding, I filled the cracks with some wood filler. I tried to push it into the void as much as possible, leaving it just proud of the surface before sanding smooth. I like the natural color of the desk, but I wanted to tone down some of the differences between the panels. There's a variety of sapwood and heartwood throughout the desk, and I think the stain will find a happy medium between the two. The final step is applying the top coat. I chose a wipe-on polyurethane in a satin finish. My grandpa was a stubborn, hard-headed Norwegian who worked tough jobs in tool and die factories and became a warm-hearted and caring grandfather whose grandchildren never heard the word no. He taught me how to do many things in life. He is the man that I admire most, and I will always remember him. Here's a quick reminder of what I started with and the final result. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I was able to remove most of the dents and scrapes, and I'm happy with the color. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.